guys! Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Ayie and welcome guys. So today, we have so much of this Yuri brews already, no? So there were a lot of how do you call this? Videos up regarding that video that she made, and so many got mad, and now she's got plenty of bashers already. So let us just now forget about it because she's becoming famous. Actually, she's the one who's getting a lot of credit now, but so sad for her because she is remembered, or she became famous because of what she did, or she became famous in a negative way, not in a positive way. Now, let's change the topic. Why is it that we always talk about what should these foreign men, or what as in what should they look for if they want to get married to a Filipina? Why should we change the question or the title, like why you should marry a Filipina? Diba? Why? Bakit? Why? So, we all know that when it comes to men, foreign men specifically, ayan, wait a minute guys, because I just woke up. I'm just having my coffee right now. So, I just thought of this. Okay. So, Filipinas, let's admit it, they are in the top list. Because Filipinas, it's not only their beauty or their, because they foreign men get attracted to that quality or attribute that we have, having that brown complexion. Because as we all know guys, especially, diba guys, many women, especially those who are, you know, kind of very fair, they tend to undergo to this tanning process just to, you know, to attain or to get that complexion. So gumagastos pa sila, they spend for that, while we already have that naturally, so it's not a problem for us. And generally kasi we are loving people, ayan, but not so many know about this. So they would only find it out if they happen to get a chance to, you know, to talk to them or to meet one. So yeah, let's talk about why Filipinas, or why choose a Filipina. So first quality that we have, that I think is really, you know, top among the others, is we are very hospitable. Yan, di ba? Very hospitable tayo. Yun ang pinaka, that is the first thing. When you say Filipino, immediately, what will come into others' mind, or the first impression, is we are very hospitable. So when you marry a Filipina, we are very warm and we are very welcoming. Yes, admit it. So it's like when you have a visitor, you know, you always give the best, or you serve them, you give the, you know, what's they call this, service deluxe. Yung may pronunciation nun, deluxe or deluxe, I don't know how you pronounce it. Yeah, so that is one of the top qualities that we have. So when you meet a Filipina, so you will also meet a family, so you will get the same service. Actually, you will get it more from the family. So the moment you meet them, you know, the rest of them, they will really give you a warm welcome. They will serve you like a king. And that's true, diba guys? Like, you know, that kind of feeling guys, when you have visitor, you always want to give the best. You always want the visitor to be comfortable staying with you, or, you know, So you cook meal, you give good foods. Minsan pa nga if like yun yung isa sa mga one of our characteristics, yung traits natin, if like if we have visitors or there's some gatherings that is happening in our house or in our home, even we sometimes if we don't have, we will make sure that we will have it, like we will find a way to you know to um, to get that thing that we would like to, yung handa, or whatever we serve for a feast or whatever event or occasion that we have. um, we always want our visitors to feel comfortable, or we always want to give them the best food. So sometimes it comes to the extent that we, if we don't have enough money to provide them or to buy, we tend to borrow like that. Nangungutang tayo, di ba? So yeah, just to give the best, So that is already it's very common to us, to have that kind of trait or quality. So yeah, we always want our visitors to feel comfortable, to feel very much welcome. So second thing is, Filipinas or Filipinos generally are very, let's say we are very smart, and yeah, we are very smart and very hardworking. Maybe this is because we came from a third world country. So at an early age, we are already exposed to this life wherein you have to study, you have to be educated so you can find a good job. But sad to say, not everyone is given the opportunity, or have this kind of life wherein that life can provide a good education, or and even sometimes a good life itself. So that's why this quality comes in, like we really need to work hard or find a way to survive. That's why we are very hardworking, and I think we are smart. Even if we didn't reach that highest education, um, we are smart in the sense that we know how to deal with life. We know how to find ways to survive, like that. Yes, ganun na nga yun. All right, so next quality is, especially me, I have that quality, but guys, I'm not hey, I'm not looking for someone, or yeah. So I'm just saying, I have this trait or this quality. Filipinas are very creative. Okay, very creative in the sense that wait a minute, magkakape lang ako. We are very creative in the sense, we find ways to make use of something. I mean, like for example, something that is to be thrown away. So we will do something about it. We will make use of it. We will find a way to make it usable, or like for example, is guys, agree kayo dito, we have this ice cream container, right? The plastic one. So instead of throwing it away, actually we got it from our grandparents, or yeah. So we don't throw it. Instead, we reuse it. We use it as a container, or to put something inside it, like maybe the threads or whatever small stuff that can fit in that container. So we don't just immediately throw them off. We are very creative. We are very resourceful, actually. So yeah, if there will be some occasions, if you are having a hard time to think of some gifts to give to your friends or relatives or whatever, if there are occasions like this that you need to you know give some present, so we can find we can think of good solution which wherein you don't have to um, you you spend so much or spend too much like that. So yeah, we are very creative and resourceful. Yeah, another quality is don't be scared, guys. Or maybe you've been hearing or yeah, that Filipinas are Filipinas love shopping. Yes, of course we do love shopping, but um, shopping in the sense that I don't know, maybe some Filipinas they want branded stuff, but most of us we are very smart. As what I've said, we are very smart. We love to shop, but we have a lot of we know so many stores wherein you can thrift stores, this ukay secondhand stuff, and we love to shop there. And we always have this thing that if we find or we search places or shops wherein we can get good deals or cheap stuffs or find discounts like that. We are so good at that. So don't be scared or don't be alarmed that oh Filipinas will drain your pocket, your bank account, whatever. No, maybe there are some, but mostly we are like this. um, we love to shop, but we are wise in spending the money. Okay, another thing is we are very submissive comparing to other women out there, other nationalities or other culture. We are very submissive. Yeah, so basically we are very polite, we are very calm, we are very composed. So that's why you can say that we are very submissive because of these qualities that we have um, by nature. Um, we don't want to, argue much. So we just keep quiet and just say, okay, fine, yeah, oh, that's what you want. Yeah, like that. But not in all aspect or not every time. So most cases we are like that because that is our nature. Um, we are very considerate. We don't have much of this ego. I don't know, for maybe there are some, but um, generally we are very submissive. Maybe that's why yeah, so if you say something, um, you know we easily say yes, or we don't argue much. We just always, most of us, we just always okay, fine, just to get rid of any complications or further arguments. We just submit ourselves like to, yeah, okay, fine, just to end the conversation. Another thing is we are very thoughtful. How do you call it? Yeah, thoughtful in the sense that we would want our personal touch in everything that we do. We will we, like, for example, from your clothes, we would want that we were the one to take care of everything, ironing, doing the laundry, of course, giving you good meal, cooking, stuff like that. So we always want our personal touch in it. So, like, for example, from your underwear, we would know where to keep them or how to keep them or how to fold them, what to give you the next day when you go to work. So we already planned that. So you will just need to to wear them, socks, shirt, everything. So um, we would make sure that all of this are prepared for you. Just like that. Yeah. So we even love stitching, you know. We can stitch your underwear, your socks if we need to, your jeans, your top. So we all know how to do this. And what else? Yeah. So Filipinas, we are very sweet. Because I don't know, I think it's only Filipinos who use that word, sweet. Like, we always love to hug, we love to embrace you, we love to kiss, um, wherever we are, or you know, whatever we do, when we feel like, you know, hugging you or embracing you or kissing you, we are like that. We are very expressive, um, very romantic, actually. Yeah, so far I guess I have I mentioned the top or best qualities or traits, or how you may call it, attributes that Filipinas have. So yeah, so that's it, guys. To all of you who are watching right now, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up, please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to press the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So I hope to see you again on my next one. Bye!